Hello everyone, myself, yours lovable RTG Vasanta Siva. I wish to ask a simple question to you. Are you facing any financial burden in life? If you are not going for any job for 1 month or 2 months, can you challenge any kind of financial issues? If yes, if you can challenge any kind of financial burden in life, no problem with any kind of financial issues, then I'm sorry, this video is not for you. If no, if you're not going for job for 1 month or 3 months and you couldn't generate income in those 3 months and facing many kind of financial issues in life, then yes, absolutely, this video is for you. If you can't, then who can? Series 1 starts now. How to become rich? I'm saying on idioms. If you can't, then who can? Is it possible? Is it right? Is it true? Is it authenticated? Absolutely yes. On December 4, 1982, in Australia, one boy born without hands and legs. For first few hours, even his own mother refused to see the child. But later on in life, he became international reputed motivational speaker. More than 160 countries are waiting eagerly to hear his speech. His name is Nick Vujicic. If it's possible for him, everybody can achieve in life. If you can't, then who can? Next, how to become rich in life. Is it possible? Many videos stipulates to become rich in life, you need self-confidence, self-motivation, vision, goal, hard work, smart work, etc., etc. But I'm not going to speak about those things. Then what is required to become rich? Is there any magical wagon to make you to magical stick to make you rich? What is required? Dear all, the income can be divided into 3 types. Zero income, active income, passive income. What is zero income? For example, if X is a person going for job today and generating income, if he couldn't go for job, he can't generate income. It is called zero income. If he is going for job, he can generate income. If he is not going for job, he can't earn income. It is called zero income. What is active income? If you or your spouse are going for job and earning on monthly basis frequently, regularly, it is called active income. What is passive income? If income started to generate even during your sleep, it is called passive income. This is what Warren Buffett says. It's a very good statement it is. If you don't know how to generate income during your sleep, then you have to work until you die. I repeat, if you don't know how to generate income during your sleep, then you have to work until you die. And if you know how to generate during your sleep, it is called as passive income. To become rich, this passive income is very much important. How to generate this passive income? This is what we are going to see in this video. If you can't, then who can? In the series of 5, series 1 to 5, I am going to give different kind of strategies. Practical strategies. Fine. To generate this passive income, do you want any kind of capital? If you couldn't generate capital, if you don't have capital to generate this passive income, then what you will do? Absolutely, this capital is not required to generate this passive income, dear friends. I like to tell a small story to you. There was an individual who had very big debt in life, say about rupees 5 crores. He couldn't resolve the issue, so he thought of doing suicide. He chose one place and going there to do suicide. On the way, he is meeting one wise man The wise man is asking him, where are you going? This individual says, I want to do suicide. I lost everything in life and my debt rose to rupees 5 crores. The wise man is smiling and says, don't worry dear, I give you 5 crores. This young man got very happy, became very happy. Thank God, he is giving 5 crores to me and I'm going to, it's a great man. The wise man says, I give you 5 crores, but in return, you want to give me something. The young man says, sorry sir, I don't have anything to give to you. I lost everything in life. The wise man says, no, you have something. I need that. The young man says, what is it, sir? The wise man asks, you give me your eyes, I give you 5 crore. He got shocked. Arey, what? You are asking my eyes? How it's possible? Without eyes, what I will do? The wise man says, okay, cool, don't worry. I don't want eyes. You give me hands, I give you 5 crores. This man got shocked. Arey sir, what are you asking? Asking my eyes, now hands? What I will do without that? The wise man says, okay, no issue. I don't want your eyes, I don't want your hands. You give me your legs, I give you 5 crores. He got very much angry. It went to its peak. He started shout at him. Are you idiot? The wise man smiles and says, dear, you have such an asset with you, then why you want to do suicide? This young man got positive energy from this speech. He realized, yes, we have such an asset and we can create more than 5 crores. Why you want to do suicide? Why I'm saying this? To create passive income, no need any kind of capital. You invest yourself. How to invest yourself? This is what this video. I'm going to give you practical insights to it, practical strategies, practical principles. If you follow those principles, 100% you can become rich. Now, what is this rich? I want to keep one point. For example, you are earning 1 lakh per month. After all kind of deductions, you are saving rupees 50,000 per month. 50,000 per month, 1 year, 6 lakhs you are saving. If you want to 1 crore, then you want to save the 50,000 for at most 20 years. 20 years, 1 crore. Can we call you rich? No. 20 years, 1 crore, you can't call us rich. Because there is time value of money. Then when you can call us rich? If you can earn 1 crore of rupees in 1 year, then you are called as rich. How to earn 1 crore of rupees in 1 year? This is what this video. If you can't, then who can? Fine. How? Simple. Just go back to your life 10 years before, 5 years before. Think once, twice, close your eyes and think. You might be having some passion, interest. What is passion? You may be a good singer during your college days. You may be a very good cook. You can cook very tasty biryani. You can cook very tasty idli. You can be a good gardener. You can be a good house organizer, designer. You are able to take tuition for kids. So these are called passions. These are called interests. I'm going to give you strategy to become rich by using this passion. That's a beautiful word in English. Entrepreneur. Some pronunciation differs. Somebody says entrepreneur, entrepreneur, both the same. Here pronunciation doesn't matter. It's a businessman. Similarly, how to become rich using this passion is called passionpreneur. I'm going to give you strategy how to become rich by becoming passionpreneur. Fine. If you couldn't locate any kind of such passion in life, no issue at all. Just sit for 2 days, 3 days. Just have an idea and pick up one interest. See, as a human being, you are special in something. Just identify that interest within you. That's more important. Successful people start thinking from where others stop thinking. Think, you will get a solution. First start with the interest. That interest should be converted to passion. Then that passion should be converted to passionpreneur. How? From series 2 to series 5, I am going to give you different kind of practical strategies to you so that this interest can be converted to passion and that passion can be converted to passionpreneur, and that will generate income and will become very rich in very short span of time. If you like this video, kindly share it, subscribe it, and if you have any specific queries, kindly comment in comment section. Thank you one and all. Bye bye. Have a great day.